Welcome, dear friends, to the virtual exhibition presented to you by the Brahma Tejasvi and Sarate Group. मी तृप्ती वर्तक आज विहार हॉलिडेजची रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह म्हणून तुमच्यासमोर आहे. माझा मोबाईल नंबर आहे 9833756490, ज्यावर तुम्ही मला कुठल्याही टूर्सची माहिती घेण्यासाठी व्हॉट्सअप करू शकता. विहार हॉलिडेज इज अ 11-year-old company which organizes all tour types of tours, be it domestic, international, customized or whatever. We have successfully organized 11,497 domestic trips in these last 11 years. Almost 15,756 families travels with us. You travel to experience, and we give you the experience of traveling is what our mission is. We believe in creating lingering memories of your splendid vacations. So Vihar Holidays was founded by Mr. Sanjay Vaze and Mr. Rajendra Joshi almost 11 years ago. They both gave up their lucrative jobs with Kesri Travels and came together to launch their venture Vihar Holidays, which they established in the heart of the city. Normally, we go on a tour or sightseeing once or twice a year. Therefore, it becomes absolutely necessary that such tours are organized by an experienced tour organizer. Vihar Holidays directors have a rich experience of 15 years in the field of tourism, which helps us give you a hassle-free memorable tour every time you take a tour with us. So why should you choose Vihar Holidays? There is no cancellation charge if you ever have to cancel a tour. We are connected with you round the clock. If you have any queries, we are here to answer it. We are always connected to you via emails, WhatsApp, or SMS. We can never compromise with quality. Our teams are easily available and accessible to you at your convenience. There is no hidden cost. You are communicated with all our cost structures so that you have no doubts. Booking with us is as easy as it can get. Just call us and get it done. We offer you a range of options to choose and make an experience an enjoyable one. You can earn credit points on each trip that you book with us, and you can redeem them in your next trip. All our services like hotels, cruises, vehicles, etc. are all tested beforehand and are very trustworthy. Sometimes there might be problems, but we are always there to help you. When you book your tour with us, we provide all required services like tickets, visa, insurance, etc. under one roof. Now let us check out some reviews from our customers. This is a pic from Bali, where we had a group tour. The couple here had started their life together by taking a honeymoon trip to Thailand with us. रम्य ती स्वर्गाहुनी लंका असे म्हणतात ते काही खोटे नाही. या ग्रुप टूर नंतर सगळ्यांचे हेच म्हणणे होते. ग्रुप टूर श्रीलंका. Feedback from our client who went on a family trip to Goa. By the way, Goa is now open for tourists and we already have clients going there during this Diwali season. We thank you Mr. Sanket Joshi for their reviews after their Singapore trip. They are regular travelers with Vihar Holidays. Rajasthan again is a state which is open for tourists now after the pandemic situation. Our guests had really enjoyed their Rajasthan trip before. Karnataka, Hampi, Badami are also now open for tourists and Karnataka had very less number of COVID casualties. You can plan your Karnataka trip with us. Dharamshala and Himachal Pradesh is also open for bookings and we have already booked 2 honeymoon packages for November end and December. You can enjoy the snowfall in the Himalayas. So be it Kashmir or Kanyakumari, Gujarat or Arunachal Pradesh, Sri Lanka or South Africa, Vihar Holidays covers it all for a rich memorable experience to all. This is Udaipur. Udaipur is famous for its palaces and is also known as the Venice of the East. The architectural beauty of Badami in the form of breathtaking rock-cut temples and the structural temples has earned accolades all over the world. Jagannath Yatra. This is a beautiful event happening in Orissa every year and we have many clients who go there every year. Orissa is also famous for its beautiful beaches. Bhutan is also known as the Kingdom of Happiness. A sweet trip to Bhutan can leave you with large number of memories. It is famous for its monasteries, fortresses and beautiful landscapes. It is situated in the laps of Himalayas. Gujarat is known for its majestic forts and palaces, national parks and holy shrines. It is the 6th largest state of India. Saurashtra Darshan group covers Porbandar, Somnath Temple, Dwarka, Triveni Sangam, Gir Forest, etc. We also had many virtual tours organized for the people during the lockdown. The first tour that we organized was for Andaman. Andaman is famous for its beaches, cellular jail where one can witness the bravery of Veer Savarkar, water sports like scuba diving, snorkeling, etc. Rajasthan experienced richly decorated palaces, luxurious hotels, and architectural delight. Next month to visit Rajasthan is from October to March. Then we have the unforgettable romantic holiday packages for Leh and Ladakh, covering Nubra Valley, Leh, Zanskar Confluence, Pangong Lake, etc. Uttarakhand is famous for its lakes. It's nestled in the lap of Himalayas. And from Jim Corbett National Park, Nainital, Chardham Yatra, etc., you have everything in Uttarakhand. Philippines is a luxurious country in southern Eastern Asia with its renowned natural wonders like underground river and rice terraces. It has most incredible diving spots. लॉकडाऊन नंतर झालेली आमची पहिली ट्रिप माहुली फार्म्स आसनगाव. सगळे प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स वगैरे सांभाळून आम्ही केलेली ही पहिली आमची सक्सेसफुल ट्रिप होती. आता आमची ट्रिप जाणार आहे 23 नोव्हेंबर टू 25 नोव्हेंबर भिल्लार या गावी. याला पुस्तकांचे गाव असेही म्हणतात. महाबळेश्वर जवळ आहे हे वसलेलं गाव. महाबळेश्वर झाल्यानंतर आम्ही लवकरच आमची सौराष्ट्र ट्रिपसुद्धा अनाऊन्स करणार आहोत. इथे या ट्रिपची खासियत अशी आहे की सगळे मील्स इन्क्लुडेड आहेत साईटसीइंगच्या बरोबरच. एव्हरीथिंग इज पेड फॉर. यू जस्ट पॅक युअर बॅग्स और निकल पडो. We are always connected with our clients, be it lockdown or otherwise. Along with the virtual tours, we also had arranged an essay writing competition for all age groups, which had tremendous response from all parts of Maharashtra. Last but not the least, Vihar Holidays always strives to give you the best memories of your life through your vacations. Nearly all of India is welcoming tourists from this October, be it Goa, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh, etc. Last but not least, Vihar Holidays always strives to give you the best memories of your life through your vacations. We will always give you the best. So for more details, kindly contact us on our website, Instagram page, Facebook, or even you can contact me on my number or email ID. Our Facebook page, Insta page and website is given here in this slide. प्लीज एकदा नक्की तुम्ही विजिट करा आणि आमचे रिव्ह्यूज बघा. आमच्या मुंबईचा हेड ऑफिसचा ॲड्रेस आणि फोन नंबर्स दिलेले आहेत. माझा नंबर आहे, ईमेल आय डी आहे. तुम्हाला कुठल्याही टूर संदर्भात किंवा हॉटेल बुकिंग संदर्भात कुठलीही मदत लागली तर नक्की आम्हाला कॉन्टॅक्ट करा. लास्टली, I would thank you all for attending my presentation. I would also specially want to thank Shilpa and Pranjal from Brahma Tejasvi and Sarte Group for giving me this platform to connect with you all today as a representative of Vihar Holidays. Thank you so much.